Unclog your sink in minutes. I'll show you how to clear the drain using something you probably already have at home. A clogged sink can happen easily when hair or debris gets into the drain. Go to your cleaning supplies cabinet and grab a spray bottle. You'll also need gloves. Open the bottle and remove the spray nozzle with its tube. This is the key to the trick. Using a utility knife, make a few small cuts along the tube, shaping them like a Christmas tree pattern. Put on your gloves and insert the nozzle tube into the drain. Move it around a little, adjusting its position. Start pressing the nozzle. After a few moments, you'll notice the water beginning to drain. When you pull the tube out, you'll see the debris that was blocking the sink. This simple trick will leave your sink clean and eliminate bad odors.